Are you from which college?
Yes. Sir, Indian Maritime University, Kolkata campus.
Okay, IMU Kolkata. Currently, you are in which year?
Final year, sir.
Final year. Means
Yes, sir.
2018 batch.
Yes, sir. 2018 batch.
Okay, great. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
Yes, sir. Yes,
ये
sir.
इंटरव्यू सेशन मैं कंडक्ट कर रहा हूँ. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये इंटरव्यू
Yes,
सेशन
sir.
2 to 3 टाइम्स होगा, राइट? इंडिविजुअल 2 to 3
Yes, sir.
टाइम्स. तो ये आपकी फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू सेशन है,
Yes,
राइट?
sir. Yes, sir.
ना तो इंटरव्यू सेशन में फर्स्ट पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, सेकंड टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू. ओके, आफ्टर इंटरव्यू
Yes,
मैं
sir.
आपको ब्रीफ करूंगा. ओके, मैं अपनी तरफ से फीडबैक दूंगा, अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट दूंगा, एंड वो आपको नोट डाउन करना है. नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू सेशन में उन पॉइंट्स को आपको स्ट्रांग बनानी है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ओके, so slowly proceed our interview.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. Yes. So first of all, tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Abdul Kaif Siddiqui, from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I grew up in Lucknow and done my schooling from Lucknow itself, sir. I joined the college back in 2018 and began to start my career in the Merchant Navy. Sir, in college, I won some technical events like pipeline tracing, board ball event that was sponsored by Fleet Management Limited. And apart from that, I also doing a current part-time job in Czech, India. So I am able to manage the time easily. And going to my family, so we are 4 members, including me, my father, mother, my brother, as well as me. And my father is a doctor, and my mother is a homemaker, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your weakness.
Sir, going to my weakness, sir, I can't say easily no, sir, to anyone. So, sir, I think, sir, most of the times I used by the someone who don't deserve me, sir. And secondly, I would like to say, sir, that uh, I used to, sir, do my work with lot of my effort, and due to this, I sometimes even skip my food, as well as I have to take a lot of stress to complete my work. So I think, sir, introspection is necessary for everyone, and all the possible consequences should be noted to improve the one's life.
So how do you manage pressure factor in your life? How you act in during your in stress situation?
Sir, when I feel stressed, sir, I used to do some activities like, sir, listen songs and listen some motivational speech to handle the pressure. And sir, for example, sir, if you have to handle the pressure, sir, then I used to do some little task like, I used to write some poems or some any other activities that fashion my mind. And also sometimes I used to walk with my friend to fashion my mood in night time, during night time, sir.
Okay. So actually you said you can't say no to others, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So don't you think it affect your productivity sometimes?
Yes, sir. As I've already said, sir, that I am being used by someone who don't deserve me, and due to this, I lost my some time and also some my productivity. So but I am improving upon this, sir. So as I've already said, that introspection is necessary for one's life, sir. So I am still working on this, sir.
What are your strength area?
Sir, moving toward my strength, sir, uh, I'm a very hardworking guy, sir. As an example, I can also give examples regarding that. Sir, during the week, sir, we have only 2 classes for workshop scheduled in the week. But sir, I used to go to workshop every day, sir, after the class that are scheduled for that particular day. Because, sir, I think that if we go to workshop continuously or every day, then we try to learn more, which we can't learn in just 2 days, sir, in the workshop, sir. Because sir, workshop is a very important in the field of merchant navy, sir, in the marine engineering also, sir. And apart from that, sir, I used to complete my work, as I've already said, in time, sir. So, sir, I think that this quality will definitely help me in onboardship, because I will not provide any work for due. Apart from this, I am a sir goal-oriented guy, sir. I used to focus on my goal to achieve success in it, and also I used to take the failure as well as success in a very balanced manner. Because sir, if we learn from past, then I think that it will be definitely help me in improving our future. Because sir, the future is the present, a function of the present, sir.
Okay, excellent. Name at least 5 workshop tool which is used in SIPs.
Sir, chisels, hammers, pliers, and sir, vices, and apart from that, uh, sir, punching tools, sir, that is used to make the gaskets, sir. We can have, sir.
Okay, good.
Or any other marking block.
Okay, good, great. Which subject do you like most in marine engineering course?
Sir, I like, sir, fluid mechanics more.
You like fluid mechanics more?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me at least 2 applications of fluid mechanics
Yes, sir.
which is
Sir,
widely
two
used in
application.
onboard ship.
Yes, sir. The two application that I think Bernoulli's theorem as well as Venturi effect, sir.
Okay, now tell me where Bernoulli's theorem is used in ships. In which
Sir,
component?
Bernoulli's theorem is, yes, sir. Sir, in centrifugal pump, the volute casing, sir, the kinetic energy imparted from the impeller is converted into the pressure energy. Sir, and this is due to the because of Bernoulli's theorem. Because according to Bernoulli's theorem, sir, the energy conserved by the fluid is always constant. If the potential energy decreases or the kinetic energy decreases, then the pressure energy increases. Or sir, the Venturi effect is used in the freshwater generator, sir, in reactor pump, sir.
What is Bernoulli's theorem?
Sir, according to Bernoulli's theorem, sir, the energy possessed by the fluid is always constant. Like the pressure energy, the summation of pressure energy, kinetic energy, as well as potential energy is equal to constant.
What is equation of continuity?
Sir, equation of the continuity, if the fluid is passing through the nozzle, converging nozzle, sir, if we have example, then the part where the area is increasing, the velocity will decrease, and the part with the area is decreasing, then the velocity will increase, and due to this, the pressure will also decrease, sir.
What is log gate?
Sir, actually, sir, I'm not very sure about the log gate, sir, but I will find out for the interview, sir.
Okay. What is SI unit of kinematic viscosity?
Sir, the SI unit of kinetic viscosity is some meter square per second, sir, I think.
Yes.
The meter square per second.
Are you sure?
No, sir, I'm not very sure about that, but I have to find out the interview.
How kinematic viscosity differs from dynamic viscosity?
Sir, the kinematic viscosity is we use when the fluid is in motion, sir, and the dynamic viscosity when the fluid is stationary. It is the viscous force acting between the layers, sir. But in the kinematic viscosity, when the fluid is in motion, then we count the kinematic viscosity. Sir, kinematic viscosity is equal to the dynamic viscosity but divided by density, sir.
Very good, excellent. Now tell me why centrifugal pump can't able to handle air or vapor?
Sir, actually, can you repeat the question, sir? Because your voice was muted, not coming.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. I'm asking you Why centrifugal pump can't able to handle vapors
Yes, sir.
or air?
Sir, in centrifugal pump, as you all know, sir, that when the air is entered into the system, sir, since the air is in a compressible, sir, so it will, when the impeller try to impart the centrifugal force on that, so the air will compress and will not try to impart that force to the layers of water. So and due to this, sir, the water layer will be there, and there will be no suction, and due to this, there will be churning effect in the centrifugal pump, and it will heat it.
What is the density of air?
So density of air is 1 kg per meter cube, sir, which is 1,000 times less than water, sir.
Very good. Very good. So that F is equal to mr omega square because of lighter
Yes, sir.
particle.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Particles,
Very
sir.
good.
It will
Excellent.
not impact the force with the other, sir.
Yes. Excellent. What are the different types of impellers?
Sir, we have three types of impeller. Sir, first we have open impeller, open type, and second we have, sir, semi-open type impeller, and third we have, sir, closed type impeller that we use in centrifugal pump, sir.
Difference between semi and closed?
Sir, in closed, sir, the vanes are covered by both the plates, sir, of the impeller, and in the semi type, sir, we have only the upper side of the vane is open and the back side of the vane is closed, sir.
Semi side, one shroud is provided, but
Yes,
in
sir.
closed type of impeller, both shrouds are
Yes,
provided,
sir.
right?
Both shrouds are provided. Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Excellent. Very good. Explain the difference between motor and generator.
Sir, the basic difference between the motor and generator is that, sir, in generator, we provide the mechanical energy that is converted into the electrical energy. And sir, in motor, sir, we provide the electrical energy that is converted into the mechanical energy, sir.
Tell me once again.
Sir, in generator, sir, we provide the mechanical energy to the system that is converted into the electrical energy in generator, sir. And in motor, sir, we provide the electrical energy that is converted into the mechanical energy, sir.
Okay. How your AC generator, or we can just say generator or alternator, better to say, how your AC generator or alternator differs from brushless alternator.
Sir, in AC generator, sir, we can uh, draw the output from the stator, sir, from the rotor, sir, itself. There will be, but in that part, there will be a slip rings, because we have to draw the AC output, sir. But in the brushless type, sir, we can simply draw the output from the stator, through which we can't use any, which will not use any brush, sir, assembly, sir. And there is a bank of capacitor that is drawn from the generator output itself, sir, for the excitation of the generator, sir.
Expand the term AVR in electrical.
Sir, AVR is the automatic voltage regulator, sir.
What is exciter?
Sir, exciter is used to, sir, excite the field windings, sir.
Okay, not good, but anything else about exciter?
Sir, actually, sir, I don't remember right now, sir, but I will find after the interview, sir.
Okay. What is inert gas system?
Sir, in the inert gas system, we used it to treat the exhaust gases from the boiler, so that we can get the clean and smooth gas for as an inert gas that is used for the onboard ship, sir.
So do you have any idea about different arrangement inside IG systems?
No, sir. Right now, sir, I can't remember, sir.
Okay, no problem. Suppose I will give you one specification, engine specification. Okay, please write
Yes,
it
sir.
down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give you one engine specification.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to tell me what does it mean. Okay,
Yes, sir.
6S
Yes, sir.
90 ME
98 M.
90 ME
Yes. Yes, sir.
B
D.
B B
B, sir. Yes, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 7
Yes, sir.
G1
G.
G1
Yes, sir.
T
Sir, T or E, sir.
T. Yes, T.
Yes, sir.
Roman number 2. Use Roman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now
Getting it,
tell
sir.
me what is 6, what is S, M, E, okay, B, 7, G, and T2. Tell me. Do you have any idea?
Right now, sir, I have no idea about that, sir.
At least one. What is 6 here?
Yes, sir. I can try, sir. That it is a specific fuel consumption, sir.
Which one? Which one?
Sir, the first part that 6S and S90, sir.
No.
Actually, sir, I am not have any idea about that, sir. That's why I'm.
Actually, this is
Difficulty.
engine specification. Okay. This is engine specification. Here 6 refers to number of cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. S refers
Okay,
to
sir.
stroke to
Yes,
bore
sir.
ratio. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here 90 refers
Yes,
to
sir.
bore dia.
Yes,
M
sir.
is engine program.
Yes, sir.
Here E refers to electronically controlled.
Yes, sir.
B refers to, okay, that is your fuel pump, which is, or we can say fuel pumps works on the like principle of electronically operated, that is with the help of FIFA, but your exhaust valve is
Yes, sir.
cam shaft operated. Okay. And
Yes,
where
yes,
7
sir.
stands for Mach number, that is mean
Yes, sir.
effective pressure and maximum pressure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And again G stands for fuel injection concept. Clear?
Injection. Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
here T2 is tire, label of tire, that is global selling. Okay, like T3,
Yes, sir.
T1, T2, and T3. If T3 is there, means some regulation is there about NOx and SOx emission. Okay, so you should know
Yes,
this.
sir.
This
Getting
is
it.
engine specification. Nowadays, company asks us type of question. Okay,
Yes, yes, sir. Getting it, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So आज का ये आपका इंटरव्यू पार्ट था. ओके, एंड ऐसे सेशंस
Sir,
2
you.
to 3 सेशंस आगे भी आएंगे. क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine.
ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No problem, sir.
नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, गुड. तो मैं आपको इंटरव्यू जो मैंने आपका लिया 5 मिनट रिव्यू दूंगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
यस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन
Yes,
पार्ट
sir.
काफी अच्छी थी. ओके, आपने हर
Yes,
चीज
sir.
को काफी
Yes.
अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. ओके, बट आई
Yes,
थिंक,
sir.
ओके, थोड़ी
Yes,
जो
sir.
मैंने स्ट्रेंथ पूछा था, व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ, तो वो आपने काफी ज्यादा
Yes,
इलाबोरेट
sir.
किया. ओके, तो
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली
Yes,
इंटरव्यूअर
sir.
को भी क्वेश्चंस दो. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
वो तुमसे सारी चीजें पूछेंगे. जितनी आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है उसको एक जगह लिखो. ओके, एंड उसको एक सेंटेंस में 3 to 4 लाइन में उसे बता दो. एक सेंटेंस बना दो.
Yes, sir.
3 to 4 सेंटेंस.
Yes, sir.
वो खुद पूछेंगे आपको.
Yes, sir.
ओके, आपको इलाबोरेट नहीं करनी है.
Yes, sir. Yes,
ओके,
sir.
क्लियर? एंड आपके
Yes, clear.
स्ट्रेंथ से मुझे लगा कि यू आर मल्टीटास्किंग गाय, ओके, मल्टीटास्किंग।
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
आप
sir.
ये फर्स्ट
Yes,
में
sir.
यूज कर सकते हो कि आई एम मल्टीटास्किंग स्टूडेंट, बोल सकते हो।
Sir, can I use a single phrase or like hardworking, goal-oriented? Sir, then it can make in a single line, sir.
यस यस, यू कैन, बट यस, तो उसे भी एक सेंटेंस में फ्रेम करो, ओके। लाइक
Yes.
लाइक मैं बोलूंगा लाइक मैं पूरे सेमेस्टर स्कॉलरशिप होल्डर रहा, ओके। सो
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर
Yes,
तुम
sir.
बोल सकते हो हार्ड वर्क हूँ, ओके, ऐसे बोल
Yes,
सकते
sir.
हो, लेकिन
Yes, sir.
बहुत डीपली एक्सप्लेन नहीं करनी है जब तक इंटरव्यूअर ना
Okay,
पूछे
sir.
तब तक, ओके।
ना
एंड
पूछे, sir. ठीक है, sir.
इंट्रोडक्शन आपकी काफी अच्छी थी, ओके।
Yes,
ओके,
sir.
वीकनेस को भी आपने काफी अच्छे से हैंडल किया, मैंने 2 to 3 क्वेश्चनिंग भी किया, क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग भी किया, आपने काफी अच्छे से हैंडल किया।
Yes, sir.
एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं लोगों से
Yes, sir.
बात करता हूं तो मुझे पता चल जाता है कौन रियली में हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन है या नहीं, एंड आप हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन हो, आपके बात करने के
Yes,
स्टाइल
sir.
से लगा, ओके। सो
Yes, sir. Thank
कीप
you,
इट
sir.
अप, ओके, यस।
Yes.
सेकेंड पार्ट में मैं आता हूं, टेक्निकल, ओके।
Yes, sir.
सो टेक्निकल पार्ट अच्छी थी, ओके, आपकी बेसिक्स क्लियर है,
Yes, sir.
ओके। आपने
Yes, sir.
काफी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, ओके, बट
Yes, sir.
आई थिंक अगर आपने फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स बोला है तो थोड़ी और पढ़ाई करने की जरूरत है। फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में छोटी
और
छोटी
yes,
एसआई
sir.
यूनिट्स पे
Yes,
काम
sir.
करो, वो काफी टफ क्वेश्चंस नहीं
Yes, sir.
पूछेंगे। अगर आप इंटरव्यू में बोलोगे कि आई लाइक फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स सब्जेक्ट, तो बेसिक्स क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स की
Yes, sir.
एप्लीकेशंस, जै लाइक आपने बोला बर्नौलीज, बर्नौलीज एप्लीकेशंस, वेंचुरी एप्लीकेशंस,
Yes,
ओके।
sir. Yes, sir.
सो
Yes,
ये
sir.
सब को और अच्छे से प्रिंसिपल्स को पढ़ो, कॉन्फिडेंट रहो, ओके, अपने आंसर्स पे। छोटे छोटे चीज
Yes,
लाइक
sir.
एसआई यूनिट्स। एंड अभी तो मैं भूल रहा हूँ, कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछा था जो आपने डायरेक्टली बोला कि मुझे नहीं पता है, तो उन क्वेश्चंस पे भी आप वर्क करो, ओके। कोई भी अगर आप
Yes, sir.
फेवरेट
Yes, sir.
टॉपिक बोल रहे हो, कोई भी
Sir,
अगर आप फेवरेट टॉपिक
you
बोल
have
रहे
said, sir, log gate. Sir, you have
हो,
asked about
यस
log
यस
gate, sir.
यस यस, लॉग गेट। तो ये अगेन, ओके,
Yes, sir.
इंटरव्यूअर 80% चांस, अगर आप फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स बोलोगे इंटरव्यूअर को,
Yes, sir.
तो वो
Yes, sir.
90-80
Yes, sir.
परसेंट चांसेस है वो आपको लॉग गेट पूछेंगे, उसकी वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल्स पूछेंगे, क्योंकि ये प्रैक्टिकल प्रैक्टिकल चीजें हैं जो लाइक,
Example, sir.
यस
Time पे use होता
एग्जाम्पल,
है, sir.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंट
Yes, sir.
रहना है, ओके। एक्चुअली मेरी
Yes,
फोकस
sir.
ये है कि आप जो यहाँ पर इंटरव्यू परफॉर्म कर रहे हो उसको मैं कैसे और इनहांस कर सकता हूँ,
Yes, sir.
ओके, यस।
Yes, sir.
एंड आपने इलेक्ट्रिकल के भी क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से हैंडल किया, बट मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा इलेक्ट्रिकल्स भी थोड़ा पढ़ सकते हो। मेरे मैराथन लेक्चर्स रेफर
Yes,
करो
sir.
इलेक्ट्रिकल्स, ओके,
Yes, sir.
काफी
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
कवर हो जाएगी, ओके,
Yes, sir.
काफी कुछ कवर हो जाएगी। तो फर्स्ट
Yes, sir.
थिंग, आपने फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स बोला कि फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है, तो उस पर थोड़े ज्यादा वर्क करो, ओके। एंड
Yes, sir.
बेसिक्स ठीक है, अच्छी है। एंड इंजन स्पेसिफिकेशंस आपने बहुत ही लाइक बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन और बेसिक्स क्वेश्चंस मैं ये कहूंगा जो नाउ अडेज पूछे